Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle spin. We will begin by exploring the fundamental concepts behind creating rotational movement for any circular element. You will learn about the essential properties that drive animation, setting the stage for more complex effects. Our focus will be on understanding the core mechanics, ensuring you grasp the foundational knowledge needed to make your circles rotate smoothly and effectively across various platforms. Now, let's dive into CSS for creating a smooth spinning animation. You will define a @keyframes rule, specifying the rotation from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Then, apply this animation to your circle element using properties like animation duration for speed, perhaps 2 seconds, and animation iteration count for how many times it repeats, often set to infinite. This method provides a declarative and efficient way to achieve continuous rotation. For more dynamic and interactive spinning, JavaScript offers powerful control. You can use JavaScript to directly manipulate the transform property of your circle element, incrementing its rotation angle over time. This allows for precise control over speed, direction, and even pausing the spin. Imagine making a circle spin faster or slower based on a user's mouse movement, or stopping it with a click. JavaScript opens up a world of interactive possibilities for your spinning elements. To elevate your spinning circles, consider advanced techniques like easing functions. These functions allow for nonlinear acceleration and deceleration, making the spin feel more natural or stylized, rather than a constant speed. You can also combine rotation with other transformations, such as scaling or translation, to create intricate, multidimensional movements. Always remember to optimize your animations for performance, ensuring a smooth, high frame rate experience for all users, even on less powerful devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.